Now I'm here in Mysen and I'm watching this beautiful sunrise. And maybe you have also seen the sunrise. That often it's quite red, and also the sunset is also quite red. You can maybe even see it a little bit in the background here, that you have this beautiful reddish light, and it's starting to get quite yellow now, but yeah, when the sun is just coming up, you get these beautiful red colors, and it's just amazing to watch. And the reason why it actually is like this is because there is a physical phenomenon that is called Rayleigh scattering. And this is when the particles in the atmosphere, there's a lot of them, a lot of particles, they have a certain size. And because they have this specific size, then it's only parts of the light that comes from the sun which is actually scattered. So you maybe know that light consists of all different kinds of colors. You have blue in the one end of the spectrum, you have red in the other side of the spectrum, and you have green and yellow and all sorts of different colors. But it is only the colors in the blue side of the spectrum that has kind of the right wavelength that corresponds with the size of the particles in the atmosphere. And that's why only the blue light is you could say almost bouncing on the particles, and then takes another direction, and it never reaches our eye. So what we're actually seeing here is that all the light, both the blue and the red, is coming towards us, but before it reaches our eye, then the blue light takes another direction. So what we are left with is the red side of the spectrum, and it looks more red. And the reason why this happens more when the sun is just coming up is because if you would draw like the Earth and the atmosphere, when the sun is very low, like on a low angle, it actually has to travel through a lot of atmosphere to get to our eye. While when it's straight up, then it's not so much atmosphere it has to travel through in order to get to us. So that's why now we see this beautiful thing happening, just because there is more atmosphere between me and the source of light. So more blue light is scattered away, and therefore I think this is a beautiful sight because it's more reddish. Isn't it wonderful that physics are like this, and that almost like the nature is just designed for us to wonder about the beauty of everything out there. I really like it. So next time you see the sun, the red sunrise and sunset, now you know why, and it's just beautiful.